The COMELEC is set to respond to the Temporary Restraining Order or TRO issued by the Supreme Court. The TRO was issued against the poll body's resolution barring dismissed politicians from running for a public office. This is in connection with the appeals filed by former Albay Governor Noel Rosal, Mandawi City Mayor Jonas Cortez, and Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama. These government officials were suspended and perpetually disqualified to hold public office. The COMELEC noted, though, that the SC has yet to issue its final decision.
Yan po naman ay injunctive relief lang, pansamantala. Hindi pa po yan ang pinaka-opisyal na desisyon ng ating kataas-taasang hukuman. Ipapatupad po namin yan. Kinikilala natin at nirerespeto natin ang desisyon po ng Korte Suprema sa bagay na yan.
Dahil yan yung mga issue ng mga disqualification.
Yeah,
Tapos yung isa pa may isa pang concern dyan, although wala dito sa ano natin.
Sa report.
Sa report, yung nga kung nga po papayagan pa rin na kumandidato yung may mga pending cases. Pero ito kasi yung disqualification, alam naman natin, itong si Cebu City Mayor Michael Rama, di ba recently
Yes,
na-suspend siya dahil sa issue ng nepotism.
Actually, pag sa mga dismissed officials o seeking re-election, lininaw na yan before ng COMELEC. Although yung mga order, for example, ng Sandigan Bayan or galing sa mga ombudsman is immediately executory, hindi siya final. So hanggang walang finality, di ba, mag-file ka, tapos hintay natin kung mag-finality. Hahayaan ka mag-file. Pero of course, we're seeking clarification on other issues depending kung ano yung ruling sa'yo. Why were you disqualified? Were you disqualified dahil in the function sa office mo may ginawa kang mali, or were you disqualified because nag-falsify ka from the beginning?
Yes.
So it depends.
Depende pa rin yun. Ano? At saka, yun nga, titignan natin kasi kailangan nilang tapusin tong desisyon na to dahil magre-release na ng ng official list sa ballot. Tapos eventually campaign na, and then of course start na ng election.
Oo, lapit next year na.
Mabilis na lang
mabilis
yan.
na lang yan.